Assalamu alaikum, I'm engineer Hamna Shakil. In this video, we will learn how to set line type in AutoCAD. To set the line type, you can use this drop-down menu in the Properties panel of Home tab. Right now, you can only see three options, and all these three options are solid lines. To load more lines, you can click on this other option. This dialog box will appear. To load the line types, click on this load option. And from this list, select the line that you want. So I will go with this dashed line. Click OK. So you can see that the line that I selected has been loaded in the list. Click OK. Now if you click this drop down menu in the properties panel, you can see the line type that you loaded. Select this. Let's activate the line command and draw some lines. So you can see that although we have selected this dashed option from line type, we are still getting these solid lines. Let's try to zoom into one of the lines. So you can see that we have got a dashed line, but its scale is very small. If we zoom out, we see the line as solid line, although it is dashed line. We have to increase the scale of this line. To increase the scale of these lines, let's go to the line type dialog box again. You can get the line type dialog box by typing line type in the command line. In this dialog box, you can see two scale factors. One is global scale factor and the other one is current object scale factor. Select the line that you want to set the scale factor of, and I'm going to change this global scale factor from 1 to 8. Click OK. And you can see on the screen that now the scale of the line has changed and you can actually see the dashes in the line. Let's go to the line type dialog box again. And this time I'm going to change the current object scale and I'm going to change it to 15. So keep in mind, now I'm not changing the global scale factor. Instead, I'm changing the current object scale. So I've set that to 15. Click OK. When you change the current object scale, the lines that are already on the screen will not be affected. It will only have effect on the drawing that you make after that. So let's draw some lines. So now you can see that the previous lines have a scale factor of 8, but the new lines are having a scale factor of 15. So global scale factor has an effect on all the lines that are already created in the drawing area, and current object scale factor has an effect on the lines that you make after setting the current object scale.